I fixed my posture without doing a single stretch. No exercises, no braces, no reminders to sit up straight. I just started crying more. By the end of this video, I'll show you photos where you can actually watch my neck straighten out over the years. But first, let me show you why stretching was never going to fix it. Try this for a second. Put yourself in what you think is good posture. Shoulders back, neck straight, head high. Feel that? Now let go. Back to your normal posture. Could you feel the gap? That's not a habit you can decide to break. Connective tissue pulls with a force of 2,000 pounds per square inch. That's what's actually holding your shoulders forward, or your neck bent, or your shoulder blades sticking out. And almost all of that force is stored below your consciousness, below your awareness. You can see bad posture in the mirror, but you can't actually feel it in your body. That's also why you can't fix posture by trying to hold good posture. You'll just drift back to normal every time. What actually works is starting where you are and releasing the tension a little at a time so your body naturally moves towards good posture instead of being forced there. Here's the problem though. You can't consciously access connective tissue tension directly, but you can access your thoughts, your emotions, and your beliefs. Things like, I'm not safe, I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy of being loved. Those beliefs get stored inside us, and when they surface, often without us noticing, we tense up. We try to protect ourselves. Shoulders come forward, head drops. We try to make ourselves smaller, try to hide. Posture and belief are wired together, which means even though the tension itself is subconscious, you can work on it through the parts of you are conscious of, your thoughts and beliefs. This is also why posture reads as confidence. We look at someone standing tall and assume they're self-assured, but you can't get there by forcing your spine straight. It's the release of the belief that changes the posture, and the changed posture then lets the confidence show up. They move together. That's what I did. I worked on my emotions, my beliefs, my traumas through words. I used EFT, tapping through those beliefs, memories and thoughts. And as I did, I realized I was releasing tension in the connective tissue itself. Over time, I felt my posture shift. My shoulders relaxed, my neck straightened. Even the bones of my skull moved. All from working with emotions and memories. I know that sounds strange, but the body and the emotional history are that connected. It's one matrix. You might not be able to point to anything like this in your own body right now, and that's normal. This is exactly the kind of thing this work uncovers. Given time, you'll likely start to see it for yourself in the mirror. Once you go deep with this work, over months, maybe years, you'll notice your posture changing. Your hips might shift. The weight on your feet might redistribute. Often, you're subconsciously avoiding a pain, and your body is compensating for that avoidance while still finding a way to function. As you find and release that pain, sometimes by healing a memory tied to it, the body starts unwinding the compensation and finds equilibrium. That's exactly what happened to me. I was born with my right foot pressed up against my shin. I didn't even find out about it until I met my birth mother at 17. And for years, I assumed there was no lasting effect. But once I got into this work, I found tension in that leg that had been hidden from my awareness for almost 50 years. Releasing that also released tension in my right hip. Around the same time, I noticed my right stride was shorter than my left, probably since childhood, but always subconscious. As the hip released, I could feel my stride start to change. The whole time, I've also been releasing tension in my head and my neck. I believe that tension is connected to the hip tension. Releasing one helps release the other. I find the place calling for attention, usually my neck. Focus on it. Feel the tension using the statue technique, and something lets go. My body has been showing me the way the entire time. Yours is too. You just might not know it yet. It could be a recurring thought, an emotion that keeps surfacing, a memory that won't leave you alone, a physical sensation, or tension and pain that keeps asking for your attention. Take a look at this. You can see my neck straightening out over the years. What actually surprised me more was my shoulders. In the older photo, whenever I raised my arms, my shoulders lifted right along with them. I had so much tension in my neck, back and chest that I physically couldn't separate the two movements. Now, when I raise my arms, my shoulders rotate backwards instead, something they never used to do. They no longer have to compensate for tension that isn't there anymore. And I can throw a ball in a straight line now. Who'd have thought that might change? I'm more in alignment than I've ever been. And you will be too. I wish I'd known this in my teens or my 20s. I wanted to be more confident so badly. I tried everything, read every book, walked over hot coals, took the courses. Nothing changed until I did this work, and it physically changed me into someone more self-confident than I was before. Honestly, I wouldn't be here on YouTube without it. So if you're in your 20s right now, or any age really, and you struggled with your posture, or felt like you're missing the confidence you want, this is why I'm making this video. If this helped you in any way, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell.